Hey guys, Kevin with Big Rig Chrome Shop here. Back in the warehouse, just wanted to show you a few options we had for axle cover kits. Most of your axle cover kits we can do with any style of nut cover or center cap that you'd like. United Pacific offers these full kits, a little more economical, a little more convenient. They come with the tool for easy installation. There's 6 different options here. They're all thread-on nut covers. You can get them with the pointed center cap or with the dome center cap. Spike nut covers, one of their newest kits, the flat top nut covers, or your standard nut cover. The other good thing about these is the caps are replaceable on both the front and rear. So if you run into something, scuff something, you just pop that off and replace that. As for installation goes, they're pretty easy. The rear covers, you want to pull off 2 of your lug nuts, put the spacer in between the wheel and the hub cover, put your lug nuts back on with the spacer that goes between the lug nut and the cover. That'll make sure they stay on there. A lot of guys make the mistake of not doing that. They end up falling off down the highway. You want to see some more options we have, visit our website, bigrigchromeshop.com, or give us a call.